Hello, welcome. In this short video, let us derive the theorem that probability of a complementary event, that is probability of A complement, is equal to 1 minus the probability of the original event A. Recall that the third axiom of probability theory basically says that probability of the mutually exclusive events A1 union A2 union A3 and so on is equal to the sum of the probabilities of the individual events, that is PA1, probability of A2 and so on. Now let us denote that A1 is equal to A event A and A2, A3, and so on is equal to the events B1, B2 and so on. So let us assume that the events A and B1, B2, B3 and so on are mutually exclusive and collectively exhaustive. What this basically means that the union, that is A union B1 union B2 union and so on, is equal to the sample space S. A complement is, by definition of the complement set, that is A complement is equal to sample space S difference A, which is equal to the union of the sets B1, B2 and so on. So from this axiom, that is third axiom of probability theory, we can say that the probability of A union A complement, that is probability of A union B1, B2, B3 is equal to probability of A union A complement, which is equal to probability of the sample space, which is equal to 1. But this is equal to the sum of the probabilities, that is probability of A plus probability of A complement, which is equal to 1. Therefore, probability of A complement is equal to 1 minus probability of A. And this formula or this expression is derived from probability derived from A complement is equal to the union of B1 union B2 union and so on. That is probability of A complement is equal to the probabilities of the probability of the union of B1, B2, B3 and so on. Thanks for watching.